Bow window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bow Windows Auburn Hills styles available, residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Bow window installation experts in Auburn Hills, MI, provide professional services to ensure a seamless installation process, maximizing the benefits of these elegant Bow Windows Auburn Hills solutions. Custom Bow Windows Auburn Hills are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. These bespoke designs allow for unique Bow Windows Auburn Hills aesthetics, adding a personalized touch to any home. Bow window specialists in Auburn Hills, MI, work closely with clients to create custom Bow Windows Auburn Hills that reflect their style and enhance their living space. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Auburn Hills are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window contractors in Auburn Hills, MI, can help homeowners select the best energy-efficient Bow Windows Auburn Hills options for their needs. Bow Windows Auburn Hills replacement is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly improve a home's energy performance and aesthetic appeal. Bow window replacement experts in Auburn Hills, MI, offer a range of styles and materials to suit any home and budget, ensuring the perfect Bow Windows Auburn Hills upgrade. Bow Windows Auburn Hills installation services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of these beautiful windows. Regular maintenance and timely installations can prevent costly replacements and ensure that Bow Windows Auburn Hills continue to function optimally. Bow window maintenance professionals in Auburn Hills, MI, provide comprehensive services to keep Bow Windows Auburn Hills in top condition. Bow Windows Auburn Hills design offers a wide array of options to suit any architectural style. From traditional to contemporary, Bow Windows Auburn Hills styles can be customized to match the unique character of each home. Bow window design experts in Auburn Hills work with homeowners to create stunning Bow Windows Auburn Hills solutions that enhance both form and function. Bow Windows Auburn Hills cost is influenced by several factors, including materials, size, and installation complexity. Homeowners can choose from a variety of Bow Windows Auburn Hills materials, such as wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering distinct benefits and price points. Bow window installation cost in Auburn Hills, MI, can vary, but investing in quality Bow Windows Auburn Hills provides long-term savings and increased home value. Bow window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bow Windows Auburn Hills styles available, residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Bow window installation experts in Auburn Hills, MI, provide professional services to ensure a seamless and efficient installation process. Custom Bow Windows Auburn Hills are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. These windows offer unique Bow Windows Auburn Hills dimensions, allowing for a personalized touch that enhances the overall aesthetics of the home. Bow window specialists in Auburn Hills, MI, work closely with clients to design and install custom Bow Windows Auburn Hills solutions that fit perfectly with their vision. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Auburn Hills are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Bow window experts in Auburn Hills can guide homeowners in selecting the best energy-efficient Bow Windows Auburn Hills options for their needs. Bow Windows Auburn Hills replacement is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bow Window Contractors in Auburn Hills, MI, offer comprehensive replacement services, ensuring that new Bow Windows Auburn Hills are installed with precision and care. This process not only improves the appearance of the home but also enhances its energy efficiency and security. Bow Windows Auburn Hills installation is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of these beautiful windows. Over time, wear and tear can lead to issues such as leaks, drafts, or broken seals. Bow Window Installation Services in Auburn Hills, MI, address these problems promptly, restoring the Bow Windows Auburn Hills to their original condition and performance. Bow Windows Auburn Hills design is a crucial aspect of creating a cohesive and attractive home exterior. With a wide range of Bow Windows Auburn Hills styles available, homeowners can choose designs that reflect their personal taste and complement their home's architecture. Bow Windows Auburn Hills aesthetics play a significant role in enhancing the overall look and feel of a property. Bow Windows Auburn Hills cost is an important consideration for homeowners planning a window upgrade. The cost can vary based on factors such as materials, size, and complexity of the installation. Bow window installation cost in Auburn Hills, MI, is competitive, with many contractors offering affordable Bow Windows Auburn Hills solutions without compromising on quality.